Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at Snapchat. A lot of young people, they have this Snapchat app on their phones. They have fun with it, with the filters and a lot of good stuff. However, the stock plummeted recently, about 10 days ago. This was due to reduction on their, scale down on their guidance for the second quarter 2022 earnings because of the Apple privacy and all that, which is also affected Facebook and other social media. But anyway, others are back up now. But I want us to have a look at Snapchat at the position it is now, especially for those who are looking to invest in Snapchat in a long haul. If you're a long-term investor and you really want to, you like Snapchat, I think the price at the moment, the position, if you look at the P ratio, comparing with the price as it is now, it might just be at the best position to acquire it for a long haul, even for day traders. Let's have a look at it. Let's see its technical chart. Let's see the position it is on the chart. We'll also have a look at the financial statement. You would see the reason why the stock has been down, considerable for some time. The stock 52-week range is from $12 to $88, meaning that within 12 in 52 weeks, which is a year, within $12.88. If the high is 88 and it has been $12 and now it's around $14 or so, it has lost a lot. Let's have a look at the chart. Let's see what we can do. Here is the technical chart for Snapchat. Snap, the market is currently open. As you can see, Snap is trending down. The last 1 year, Snap has been nothing but abysmal in a way. It has dropped. I won't say the last 1 year, but recently, beginning of this year, Snap has been trending down. However, that doesn't mean you cannot make money trading Snap for a long time investment. In fact, this might just be the right time, the best time to buy it. To have it, do your analysis. As you can see here, because of the news that it would not meet the revenue. They downgrade their estimate for their revenue, so it was a big gap down. That was about a week ago or 10 days ago. But then that was when it dropped to about $12.55. But as you can see, the gap is still there. This gap is going to be filled one way or the other. Snap is below 200-day moving average, and currently there's a resistance here that might be holding this the candle back. Let's have a look at it on a weekly chart. On a weekly chart, as you can see, Snap has just been, as I mentioned earlier, trending down. It's a downward trading stock, as you can see, and it is trading below 200-day moving average on a weekly chart. But right now, I don't see anything that is telling me that Snap is back on a bullish move. There's nothing to say that. For a long-time investor, this might be the best time to, because it's heavily discounted. Let's use that word, but do your valuation. If you can get it at this price or below, if the market, it could continue to go down, it could get up to $5 or whatever. And let's say around this price of $13 something, it could hit this. Now whether it's going further down, I don't know, but the market is currently open. Do your analysis based on this chart. Snap is still trending down. But for a long time investor, it might be a good time to acquire it for you for keep for the next 5, 10 years down the line, But as you can see, it is trending down. Let's have a look at some analyst ratings. Even though the analyst rating, they also change based on fundamental and technicals. But let's have a look at it. Yeah, these are the analyst ratings for today, 5th of 31st of May 2022. As you can see on the upside and downside, you can still see a rating of $77. On the downside, 59, outperformed by neutral, by outperform. But guys, be careful with the uh, analyst ratings. They hold any allegiance, and you cannot hold them to their ratings. It is up to you to believe it. Let's go back on the chart. Yeah, I would believe in my analysis more than any analyst rating. This stock is trending down. Be careful. There's nothing that says that this is back on a bullish. Here is the fundamentals for Snapchat. Snap. Market cap is 23.64 billion. Previous close is $15.58. Um, the EPS is negative 0.35. No PU ratio at the moment. Not paying dividend. Not no dividend date. Um, you need to look at this the 52 weeks range from $12.55 to $83.34. Snapchat has lost a lot between $83 to $12 within 52 weeks. That's the 52 weeks range. Let's go on to the financial statement. Under the financial statement, we look at the income statement from 2018, slightly just over 1 billion, 1.7 billion. Here is 2.5 billion. During the lockdown, 2019 stroke 2020, and 2021, during the lockdown, a lot of people were using Snapchat, social media. A lot of things happened, so people were at home doing a lot of stuff. They have more time to use social media for communication, contacts, and all that. Cost of revenue. The cost of revenue is also significantly high within this period. Trading 12 months is 4.4 billion. However, the challenge here is the operating expense. Look at the total revenue, 4.4 billion, and the operating expense is over 3 billion. Cost of revenue is 1.7 billion, closely, I mean, almost 2 billion. Now look at the um, operating income is negative, and it has been negative since 2018. Let's go on to the balance sheet. Let's go to the balance sheet. Let's look at the total liability. See here, total asset. As you can see, it grew from 2018 from 2.7 to 7.5. However, the liability also increased from that year till now. Trailing 12 months, you can see 3.7 billion. That's it. Uh, Total liability. Look at the working capital, slightly over 4 billion. The total capitalization is slightly over 6 billion. Let's go and look at the cash flow. Let's see if they are liquid. Under the cash flow, um, the operating cash flow is 283 million. In fact, yeah, this is 283 million. As you can see, it has always been negative until recently. Trailing 12 months. The privacy issues on Apple, it affected Facebook and also Snapchat for advertisement. Users, almost every users will turn down privacy issue. Now look at the under the free cash flow. This is 203 million. This is not, it's not bad, but they're not making money. That's the thing. They're losing money. Seen the technical charts, you've seen the price action, and you have also seen the financial statement. Snapchat is not making money, but that doesn't say you cannot buy it. You can still invest in it. If it's not making money now, it can make money tomorrow or next year, So for long-term investor, it just might be a good time to buy Snapchat in your portfolio. And for day traders, you know how to do your thing. Thank you for watching this channel. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Do not just Snapchat alone. Make money on Snapchat as well. Thank you. Please call again.